Guys, welcome to another episode of My Tour Tales. Today will be a little bit different than other episodes. Today you get to go to the doctor with me. I've been dealing with plantar fasciitis or heel spurs for about 4 months now, and I decided to use my insurance that I have because I have never used it, and I'm going to go see a podiatrist in Eugene and hopefully get an x-ray and figure out what's going on with this stubborn thing that just won't quite go away. So stay tuned for that, and maybe we'll both learn something today. So I'm sitting in the podiatrist office, and I just got my left foot x-rayed for plantar fasciitis or heel spur. I've been dealing with this for about 4 months. I'm finally tired of it, and I just want to get it over with. So probably going to get some custom orthotics or inserts, I guess, for my shoes. Well, I just got my diagnosis. I have a double heel spur, plantar fasciitis, but it can be treated with kinesio tape, which I'm going to go get at Dick's Sporting Goods, and super feet inserts. And taping my feet every day will help the healing process get faster, so that'll be kind of cool. I'm pulling into Dick's Sporting Goods, and I'm going to check it out and see if they have the stuff I need for my feet. So this is the kinesio tape I should get. I can either get this as the waterproof version or this one, which is very similar, but I don't think it's waterproof. You can change it often. Okay, these are the arch supports the doctor recommended I get. These super feet green with high arch and maximum thickness. These bad boys are $49. That's as much as shoes. I guess you get what you pay for. I really like this GT mountain bike. Looks like I could have some fun with that bad boy. Well, that's it, y'all, for my tour tales today. Wow, I really did like that doctor. I learned a ton of information from him that I did not know, and I'm going to follow his steps. I think if I do this, I can probably take care of this plantar fasciitis once and for all. So if you've ever dealt with anything like that, check out the links in the bottom of the video. There's going to be some information and some links in there that might help you out on what you need to have as far as products and shoes and whatever to make a successful healing. So anyway, that's it for my tour tales. Eric Stone. Till next time, thank you.